Creating animated content with AI has never been easier. I recently discovered a completely free AI tool that lets you create long, fully animated videos in one go. It generates high-quality animated videos automatically, with no editing required. All you have to do is type in a simple story prompt or your own idea, and within minutes it will generate a fully animated video for you. Here's a video I made in under a minute using this free AI tool. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own animated video completely by yourself in just a few minutes and completely free. This free AI tool is called Anijam AI, and you could call it the ChatGPT of AI animation. It's a revolutionary AI agent built specifically for animated content creation. It covers the entire production workflow, from generating ideas to character design, animation, visual generation, sound effects, lip syncing, editing, and final video output, all within one AI tool. Sounds interesting, right? That's exactly what Anijam AI is built for. And the best part about this tool is that you can use it right from your mobile phone as well, completely free. You'll find the link to this tool in the description below. To get started, head over to Google and search Anijam AI. You'll see it appear at the top of the results. Just click on it, and it will take you straight to the interface. From there, you can simply log in using your Google account or Gmail. I logged in with my Google account, and once you do, you'll see the main interface of the tool. In the top right corner, you'll notice that you get 500 credits on your first login, and you can earn an additional 100 free credits simply by logging in daily, which is a pretty generous offer. This is my free account, and as you can see, the tool gives you 500 credits at no cost. I also have a premium account for this tool, which gives me over 10,000 credits, since I'm using it to produce this video. Before I walk you through the tutorial, there's one thing I noticed that most other creators don't mention, and it's a problem a lot of viewers run into. If you're based in India, Pakistan, Nepal, or certain other Asian countries, Anijam AI may not be available in your region. If you try to log in, you'll run into this restriction right away. Here's a simple solution to get around it. Open your browser and search for Urban VPN. Click on the free browser extension option, then select Urban VPN for Chrome. On the right-hand side, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click that, and it will be added to your Chrome extensions. Next, click the extensions icon near your profile in the top right corner. Find Urban VPN, click on it, and enable the VPN. Once it's turned on, go back to the Anijam AI website, and as you'll see, the regional restriction is gone. You can now log in and use the tool freely, both on your PC and on mobile, once the VPN is active. Now let's start creating our animated video. I'm going to paste in my own story idea. This is the concept I want to turn into an animation. You don't need to write out a detailed story. A simple prompt is enough. After pasting your story idea, click Next, and you'll be taken to the Canvas interface, which looks like this. On the lower right, you'll find a chat box where you can communicate directly with the AI agent. Anijam AI's agent will first ask you to choose between two modes for generating your video: AI Director mode and Workflow mode. Simply select whichever one you prefer. AI Director mode is the more popular and easier option, since it focuses on getting your video created quickly. Workflow mode, on the other hand, walks you through the process step by step in more detail. For this tutorial, I'll be using AI Director mode, so select that, then hit Confirm. After that, a few more options will appear. First, you'll choose your target audience: all ages, kids, or teenagers. I selected kids, but you can choose whichever fits your project. Next, choose your preferred platform. I went with YouTube. For the aspect ratio, I selected 16:9. though you can choose 9:16 if you're creating shorts. For audio, I selected music only, but you're free to choose whichever option suits your content. Then, for duration, you can use the plus or minus icons to adjust the length of your video. For this tutorial, I set it to 0.5 minutes or 30 seconds. Once you've selected your video duration, click Confirm. After a short moment, two more options will appear: Co-design with me and AI decides. For this tutorial, I went with AI decides. Simply click on it. After a brief wait, three more options will show up: use this direction, adjust this direction, and switch to co-design. I chose use this direction, though you're welcome to pick whichever suits you best. The AI will then generate a story outline for your video, which you can edit at any time simply by typing your changes into the chat box, whether you want to add or remove something. Next, click on Style Design to move to the next step. The tool will suggest the most fitting design style for your video, but you can also browse the full library by clicking on Library, where you'll find a range of animation styles on the left-hand sidebar, including 3D, anime, and realistic styles. For this tutorial, I chose the anime style, but feel free to pick whatever style matches your vision. After a short wait, you'll be asked to choose between two image generation options: generating all 8 concept images at once, or generating just the first one. Selecting Generate all 8 concepts will produce every image in the sequence simultaneously, so that's the option I went with for this tutorial. After a brief wait, all 8 scene concepts will be generated in order. Next, click Start Video Generation. After a short wait, you'll be asked whether to generate one video segment at a time or all 4 segments at once. I chose to generate all 4 segments together, since it creates the entire scene in one pass and saves a significant amount of time. After a short wait, all 4 scenes will be fully generated. Once that's done, click on Generate Background Music to choose from the available background music options. Then click Confirm to generate a single BGM track. After that, click Render Video. If you'd like to make any edits, you can do so by clicking Add to Timeline. I'm skipping that step in this tutorial since I didn't find any issues with the video that needed editing. After a short wait, your fully animated video will be ready to publish. Simply click here to download it. Let's take a look at the final result. As you can see, it's now easier than ever to create a fully animated video within minutes using Anijam AI. Right from the comfort of your home, with no animation skills, no editing skills required, and no need to rely on expensive, heavy-duty software. Best of all, you don't have to spend a single dollar to do it. Just type in your idea, follow these simple steps, and your animated video will be ready to publish in minutes. This is all possible now, thanks to Anijam AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. I'll see you in the next one.